Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and making profits with crypto. Guys, we all have been mining Dogecoin, Hamster Combat and Blum. All of these looks very promising and almost ready for the TGE. Meanwhile, so many rumors are going on in the market and people are getting confused about the listing date of these projects, and even some people have started calling them scams, and due to this the current players are leaving these projects after putting so much efforts and time. So guys, just keep watching this video till the end to understand everything about the launching date of all these projects. And if you find this video helpful, then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all the upcoming updates and videos. Well, without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, first of all, let's talk about the biggest project of all time, Hamster Combat. With such a huge community, Hamster Combat is all set to launch, and as you can see in this screenshot, they have updated their roadmap and now the TGE date is about to reveal very soon. As per the insider updates from various sources, there is a maximum chance that we will see the Hamster Combat TGE at the end of August. They are delaying the TGE due to the market condition, which is a negative point for any new project which is going to launch in the market. But guys, I would say one thing, don't leave the project now. We have come a long way, and very soon, hopefully within 2 to 3 weeks, we will see the token launch for Hamster Combat. Now comes to the Blum, one of the most strong and viral Telegram mining projects which has more than 40 million users now. The project is all set to launch, and this will be launched very soon, just within a few weeks. Hopefully we can expect the TGE in September. As you can see on your screen, in a community post on Binance Square about the Blum, powered by Binance and developed by former Binance team members, TGE in 60 days. So yes, hopefully in September we can expect the TGE for Blum as well. So guys, be ready. Very soon we will see the TGE for Blum as well, and hopefully this will be a great successor and we all will get a big airdrop this time. The another viral Telegram mining project is Dogecoin. Dogecoin may launch on the 40th of August, and it is almost confirmed because they have indicated this on their official X page as well. And as we all know, recently Dogecoin got listed in OKX pre-market, and very soon you will be able to trade Dogecoin on OKX. Also, they have shared this post on their official page in which they said, did you know that August 14th is Telegram's birthday? So they directly indicated that the project is going to launch on the 14th of August. So guys, 3 big airdrops are on the way, and very soon we will see the TGE for all of these. Let us know your thoughts on these projects, and if you find this video informative, then please like it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell icon to stay updated with all upcoming updates and videos. Thanks for watching.